Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Honda Accord back seat. First, open your trunk and find the seat release levers, usually located near the top of the trunk opening. Pull these levers to unlatch the rear seat backs. Once unlatched, fold the seat backs down into the cabin. Remember to carefully feed any seat belts through their designated openings as you fold the seats. This initial step provides better access to the lower seat cushion. Now, let's remove the lower seat cushion. Feel along the front edge, underneath the cushion, for release tabs or clips. You'll typically find one on each side. Push down firmly on the seat while simultaneously pulling the tab towards the front of the car to release the latch. Some models may also have a 10mm bolt in the center. Once all fasteners are disengaged, lift the cushions straight up and out. With the lower cushion removed, you can now access the seat back. Look for 12mm bolts securing the bottom of the seat back to the floor, usually one on each side. Use a ratchet and socket to remove these bolts. If your Accord has side airbags or other features, you might need to carefully disconnect electrical connectors. Once all fasteners are removed, lift the seat back straight up to unhook it from its upper mounting points. To reinstall your rear seat, simply reverse the steps. First, align the seat back with its upper hooks and push it down into place, then secure the 12mm bolts. Next, position the lower seat cushion, ensuring its clips align and snap securely into their receivers. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to an insightful book about money and other great deals. Finally, make sure all seat belts are easily accessible and fully functional before driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.